Hello kids, welcome back. This is me Sadaf Sayyed here once again, a representative from Pioneer 360 Academy, a place where you can discover yourself. So today we are back with something new. So let's keep going and have a look. The topic that we are going to be dealing today is an important topic. However, it has been neglected from a past long time. This plays an important role in the human body. So bringing up today just for you, we have social health. So let's begin with social health. Hello kids, welcome back. This is me Sadaf Sayyed here once again, a representative from Pioneer 360 Academy, a place where you can discover yourself. So today we are back with something new. So let's keep going and have a look. The topic that we are going to be dealing today is an important topic. However, it has been neglected from a past long time. This plays an important role in the human body. So bringing up today just for you, we have social health. So let's begin with social health. We all face a little bit of depression, a little bit of anxiety, a little bit of mood swings at different parts of our life. These different disturbances in our body not only affect our physical being, but they also affect the mental health of an individual. So today we are going to discuss the factors that affect our mental health. Well, yes. So a question that I would like to put forward to you all is, we all face different kind of mood swings, right? We all are depressed at some times of time. We all have our ups and downs in our life. We all have our different moods at different time. However, this could be because of different reasons. Some of the reasons are because of the stress, because of the pressure that the society has always been putting over us, because of the family stress, because of the workload that kids have these days, or because of the workload that every other individual gets from their office. Not only this, but even the pressure from the family to raise a family has always been there, adding a little bit disturbance to the individual and also to its mental health. So today we are going to discuss some of these factors, which includes the work stress, the workload that we get from different kind of areas. With all the work stress coming up to the teens these days, we all are worried about the deadlines, the submissions, the projects, the work that has to be done, the payment and the other financial issues, as well as the other things that have to be going on. Not only these, but we are also balancing between our needs and our wants, our financial status and what kind of things we want. Do we have sufficient to complete all our needs, complete all our wants? So to complete all our wants, of course, we have to earn enough. In the run to earn enough, in the run of the financial status, somewhere we are losing something, and that is some part of us. Apart from all the personal stresses, apart from all the personal factors like your education stress, your work stress, there are some environmental factors that also disturb a human being. These include all the pollution that has been going on, the garbage and the foul smell, the odor. All these things add a little bit to your day, isn't it? So these little things, they add up and they cause a little bit damage to your mental health as well, kids. Not only this, but at some parts we also have other kind of disturbances which include like water stress, electricity stress. So all these a little bit, they keep on adding up, and we are nothing but human beings with bottled up stresses. The worst part is that though amongst all these stress and mental disturbances, there are such obstacles have not even spared the minors of our nation. Research has proved that children between 9 to 18 years have been more affected due to mental stress, mostly due to academic competitions or family disputes. However, such kids need nurture. and proper attention to escape the aura of the loneliness and depression. So, kids, we all know that there has been a time in our life, not only in our school days but our college days, in our teenagers, where we have to face a lot of difficulties, be it at home due to all the competition and due to all the peer pressure, due to all the stress that our parents put on our shoulders because of academics, or be it at our school, be it with our friends, in the case of bullying and whatnot. In case of such situations, a child is completely let down because of all the pressure that has been on his little shoulders. Well, but we are going to see a little more about the factors that lead to the disturbance of the student's mental stress. Of course, some of them are the self-esteem, the bullying, the exams, the grades, and the assignments. Not to forget the family disputes. A home is a place where a child needs to be pampered and understand. However, that is not the case for everyone. In some cases, there are parents, there are other family members which often raise a dispute, and this also causes a little bit disturbance to the child's mind. As the kid grows due to the puberty and the adolescence and the changing body, we often feel lonely. We often lead to depression. We often feel that we are out of place even if we are amongst our friends. These kind of growing changes because of puberty and adolescence add a little bit more. So these are the factors combined all together that pull our kids down to the loophole of stress. Well, but the story again does not end up here. It goes on more, isn't it? And every day we see in our news channels that there is some or the other which has crime cases which have been going around with either the teens, maybe due to the social media or maybe due to a particular gender. Well, yes, if we are talking about gender, I would like to put a little bit heat towards the female gender of our society and the troubles that they go through. The eve teasing or molestation. These have often suppressed the female of our nation. Due to this, what happens that a female of our society has always been held back because of some kind of troubles that they always end up in. That is why the females who are capable to do a lot for the nation, however, they are held back because of the troubles they are put into, because of the obstacles they have to face in every point of life. This is the reason they are suppressed and they are asked to be at home rather than being outdoors and working equally with the men around. The next factor, which is equally dangerous as all the others, is the drugs. Well, yes, when we are talking about drugs, these days we find that the teens are so often involved in drugs. When I'm talking about drugs, they include all kind of drugs, be it heroin, be it smoke, be it any kind of small tobacco drug. Okay, so when we're talking about these drugs, they always starts as a peer pressure. It always starts as one friend asking, "अरे यार एक बार try तो कर, अरे एक बार कुछ नहीं होता है, you won't have to do anything, it is very simple, अरे बहुत मज़ा आता है, it is very cool." So it always starts like that, isn't it, kids? With that one smoke, with that one time, with that one snort, with that one pack, it all ends. It all ends as well as it all begins as well. So you begin to become an addict because of all the pressure that has been put because of your friend circle has always ended kids being into this traumatic event where they have found themselves, that is drugs. Some of the kids, they undergo smoking because they find it cool. They think that this is a cool aspect of society, and some do it because they think that it is a medium for this stress to be relieved. However, it is not. Well, moving forward to another topic, that is incurable diseases. As we finished with our drugs and the mental stresses and all the other things, this is another factor which also contributes to the stress of our generation, which are incurable disease. Some diseases are hard to be cured. However, with the help and aid of medicines and new science technology, you can always prolong your life and take better care of yourself. However, some people do not understand the common fact of being healthy. That is why when you have any kind of incurable disease like AIDS, these patients are neglected. They are not given proper care, due to which they end up being in old age home or in different places where they can spread their diseases to other social individuals as well. Such disease also include tuberculosis, where your bacteria, if exhaled can be inhaled by another healthy person and can also be diseased with tuberculosis. When all the social stresses end, there is something more which I would like to talk about. This includes the very famous part of our society today, something which has not spared any age group, something which is so common that it is actually with every individual these days. Yes, we are talking about social media pressure. So kids, before I would like to say a little bit on social media pressure, here are something that I want you to have a look at. Something which will often make you wonder about your childhood as well. So previously it used to be everyone being gathered in a playground and they were playing. But these days we are all engaged in our cell phones. Even if we are gathering down, we are gathering up just to make a PUBG circle, isn't it? Before, football meant something else. Today, football has a completely new meaning. Such social media has not only affected your mental health but also your physical health. Kids having a sedentary life because of being so engaged in the technology that they cannot they cannot go anywhere without their cell phones, or they are so engaged in their video games that they end up affecting their physical health and also causing obesity as well as other kind of nutritional diseases. Another worst habit that we are all undergoing is the use of cell phones even at night, which also damages the eyes and causes other illness like insomnia. It has not only affected the teen generation of our society but also the adults as well, who are so engaged in their cell phone these days and with all the media that they often forget that there has to be some family time as well. Being so engaged in your cell phone that you have no clue about the surrounding atmosphere at all. Another important thing, I guess ये तो हम सब ने किया है. This is something where we are all clicking pictures these days. यानी खाने से पहले उसका पोस्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Social media versus reality. Well, हम सबका यही है कि on our social media we are so fancy, but that is not the same in reality. कहीं पर भी जाना है इसका मतलब हमें सबसे पहले फ़ोटोज़ निकालना और इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करना है, which acts as a proof कि यार we did something really cool. However, in the end of the day, when you're with your friends and you posted like 100 and billions photo on your Instagram, you clicked about like lakhs of selfies. After that, just one question that you really need to ask yourselves: what was the best part of today? In case if you have an answer to that, that's great. In case if not, you really have to think through that the time that you wasted was just for one picture. Charity done just for showing it off. Clicking pictures because we want more likes and comments on our Facebook. Well, this brings me to my next topic. When we have discussed all these factors, this brings me to an important topic, that is the dangers of selfie. Well, of course, clicking pictures has always been a great a mean to collect all the memories possible, a mean to have everything in just one flow and having a nostalgia once you surf it off. However, it has also been a bane to the society. When I'm talking about this, kids are least bothered about उनके आसपास क्या हो रहा है. All they are into that is selfie अच्छी आना चाहिए, filter अच्छा होना चाहिए, sunlight अच्छी आना चाहिए, उनका pose अच्छा होना चाहिए. They don't care कि उनके आसपास क्या हो रहा है. So you have to pay attention that the things which are going around you is important as well. Many of such kind of crazy attitude towards selfie has caused death of a teen when they are trying to perform some superb stunt in order to gain public attention for just one photograph, and it cost them their life. So kids, a beautiful reminder. The blurred image around your phone is called life. Pay attention to it. Your cell phone has already replaced your watch, camera, calendar and alarm clock. Don't let it replace your friends and family as well. But however, the media has been so advanced that because of the technology, which has been a boon, is also a disadvantage these days. How? One of the factors is cybercrime. Well, I'm sure you have heard about cybercrime, but now we will see in detail that what is cybercrime. Misuse or illegal use of confidential information by the means of credit details or bank details or fake account, or be it any kind of personal information regarding a being, is known as cybercrime. For some there are spam calls where you get calls from the bank. ये हमारे साथ हुआ है, isn't it? We have all been through this, जहाँ पर हम लोगों को fake calls आते हैं and when we are asked to reveal our pin, it could be anything. It could be your bank, your account has an issue, आपका अकाउंट में से पैसा डेबिट होने वाला है. In case if you do not want this, in case if you do not want this policy, you have to stop it right now. So all these sugar coated words just hackers हमारे कान में बोलते हैं. We fall for their words, and what we end up disclosing our personal details to them in the order that they will help us. So however, the fact that they won't, what they do, they get the information from us and they misuse it. यानी अगर तुम्हारी बैंक डिटेल्स कोई भी इंसान मांगता है, वो कोई बैंक का आदमी ही क्यों ना हो, it is clearly in the guidelines of the bank that you cannot disclose it, क्योंकि once you disclose all your personal information, it can be used against you itself. There are some hackers which use your personal information by having a fake account. These hackers, they exploit girls, they exploit our teenagers, and they misuse them by the means of their personal photographs or maybe financially as well. They also use your written literature, your softwares, your photos, your video, which has your copyright. However, but some of these work is being used. This is known as plagiarism. Then we have banks that continuously spread the message on all the means of media that even if that we are not supposed to disclose our PAN card, our Aadhaar card, our PAN card, our credit card, our debit card number, or any other personal information, even if demanded to any other person, because such informations, they remain confidential and it has to be just till you. Also, we have exchange of information through media like email, Facebook and WhatsApp, which occurs at an instant. However, such personal information and phone numbers are automatically spread and reaches the unwanted person. This leads to malpractices and even incoming of spam messages. Such messages either impair or shut down the mobiles and computer. This is because they have some kind of viruses or maybe some kind of bugs in them, Trojan horses, which impair your devices and also reveal important files and folders to the hacker. But apart from all the bad that has going into the world, as we have said that it is always two sides to a coin. So when there is bad, there is also something good to it. So moving on to the better part of something like social health. The better part includes meditation. It includes the management of your stress. Even if there is a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression and a lot of things going on in your life, you can always chill it over a coffee, some kind of inhale and exhale of deep breaths and some kind of meditation and music. You can always go out on an outing with your friends, your families, to have a family time or your me time. We will be looking out into how can you manage stress and how important it is. Stress can be managed. This helps in reducing your anxiety and depression. It helps into you overcoming your fears as well. For student, it helps in maintaining time. It helps in managing time. In case अगर हमारे एग्जाम के टाइम हम बहुत ज़्यादा पैनिक हो जाते हैं, what we can do, we can distribute our work. We can do that हमारा ये काम important है, ये काम अर्जेंट है, इसमें ये चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है, हम उसे स्पेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड वंस वी डिवाइड आवर वर्क, वी कैन गो थ्रू इट. इफ़ नॉट, व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट आवर वर्क इक्वली इनटू इक्वल डेज. उतना ही काम लेना है जितना काम हमसे हो सकता है और उस काम को बराबर करना है. Once you start maintaining your time and your schedule, your stress will automatically get managed. We also have laughter therapy to soothe down our daily disturbances of life. Then we have yoga. Yoga has been an old way of exercising. It helps in reducing your stress. It helps in relaxing your posture. It has many benefits. Some of them helps you to focus and maintain your concentration as well. Some of the different positions, they help in blood circulation of your body. They help in maintaining straight posture. They help in glowing of your skin and to prevent many diseases like obesity. Apart from this, we have exercise to keep you healthy and fit, which also decreases the stress level as it helps as any kind of activity which you are engaged in. It always channelizes your energy into something positive. So you do not have energy to think something negative and you think a little more about stress and stress over stress. So kids, here is a small activity for you all to relax a little bit. So let's try this. This is inhale and exhale. So as you see on your screen, you got to inhale and exhale. A few minutes of these exercise will also help you in your breathing movement. It will calm yourself down, it will maintain your heartbeat, and it also allows you to take right decisions in the time of panic. A little bit of meditation has always been nice. Apart from inhale and exhale of deep breath, yoga and exercise, there is something more we can keep our mind relaxed. That is enough sleep. An adequate sleep of about 8 to 10 hours is essential for our body to function efficiently and for our minds to be relaxed and calm. So for a fresh start, it is always important to have adequate rest and have a few nap intervals in between so that we can keep performing better and better as our day proceeds. Next, we have a lot of government scheme has been coming up, and there has been a lot of ideas which has been boomed these days for our stress to be relieved. Some of them are consulting a psychologist. Psychologists can be helpful at times of need. You can share your problems to them, you can discuss. Psychologists always read people's behavior, their nature, and they come up with bright ideas for our problems. So they have solution to our obstacles, they have solution for our needs, for our stress, so they can clear out what we need in our life more and how we can able to manage ourselves more efficiently. Next, that these days all schools and colleges are having are the counselors. Counseling of kids are very important. Sometimes when kids are going through a difficult phase of their life where they cannot have someone who can they express to, they can talk to, they can share their feelings about, and they are pretty unclear with what they have to do further with their life, with their ambitions, as well as when they have mixed feelings and a different case of puberty hits them. So in all such cases, a counseling session for kids is very much important. It helps them to think clear and they can share their problems as well as express their mixed emotions as well. At times, every individual cannot disclose their problems to everyone. However, we always have someone who is close to us, whom we can trust with our problems. You can always start sharing your problems with them. You can start discussing with them. कभी भी कोई भी तरह की मुश्किल हो, and when we start sharing it with other people, they can come up with brilliant ideas. They can come up with solutions that even we haven't thought about. सो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स इज़ कि अगर आप लोग की कोई भी तरह की दिक्कत है, कोई भी तरह की तकलीफ़ है, यू कैन ऑलवेज share it with your close ones. They will always come up with advices, they will always come up with solutions. At the same time, आपको अकेलापन भी फील नहीं होगा. You will feel much lighter and it will feel like your burden has been released. So it is again a good way for you to get your stress relief, that is sharing your problems. The more you talk, the more you disclose your problems with your close ones only. Okay, so you can feel more comfortable and you don't have to feel that you're going through this alone. Last but not the least, it's important to smile, breathe and go slowly. Cause in the end, it's all about finding the calm in the chaos. So on the behalf of myself as well as the entire Pioneer 360 Academy, I wish you all in good health, a good mental health as well as good physical health as well. And also I would like to dedicate a few words to my audience who are going through a rough time. These are a few words to soothe you down. So let's talk about stress and all it can do. From ailments to headaches when I'm feeling blue. The tears starts to fall, yet an anger remains. I whine and I grumble, nag and complain. Too many situations that stress me each day. Too many circumstances make me shriek in dismay. Too many people inflaming my rage. Too many curse words to fit on this page. Too few occasions to sit back and relax. Too many moments that fall through the cracks. Too much uncertainty and not enough time. Too many fall downs and not enough climbs. Let's talk about prayer and all it can do. Let's talk about prayer and all it can do. Soothe and console, relieve and renew. The peace starts to flow and happiness appears. I pray and I find that the stress disappears. So that's it for today. Thank you so much once again for joining me. Hope you have enjoyed our video. For more such educative videos, please enroll now to Pioneer 360 Academy. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned, and always keep learning. Also, don't forget, sometimes the most important thing in the whole day that you can do is the rest you take between two deep breaths. That's more important. So we hope you are in your good health physically and mentally. Pioneer 360 Academy again wishes you the best of your health. Thank you so much. See you again in our next lecture. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe, and stay healthy.